There is our easy Oreo milkshake for you guys. Now I can drink this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner 24/7. Is that tasty?
Hello friends, welcome to another video of Karan's World. So yeah, it's getting close to summer and I thought I could release a video of a milkshake. So yes, you saw it. I have an Oreo packet here, so of course it's going to be Oreo milkshake. So with these ingredients, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a blender. Look, 4 ingredients adds up to a delicious Oreo milkshake. So if you want to see this, then let's get right into this. But before, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Karan's World, and make sure you have liked all my videos and shared them and press that post notifications button so you get notified when I make all of these cool uploads, i.e. science experiments, crafts, cooking, and more. Let's get on with this. So what you will need for this delicious Oreo milkshake is some Oreos. So this is a twin packet. I don't think we'll need this much, but I just got it. Some chocolate syrup, some ice cream, 1 cup of milk, and the blender. Let's get right into this. So friends, we're just going to open our Oreo thing. Take 1 packet out. So in the packet we've got 28 biscuits. So they're equally divided into 2. So let's just open 1. So this has got 14 Oreos in it, and we're just going to put all of this into our jar. So then we'll use the other thing for a step, which we will use moving on. Okay, let's add as much as you want. We're using this much. You can add more if you want. It doesn't matter. So just in here. Ooh. 1 Oreo packet destroyed. Now, what we're going to do is put this inside here and then mix it, put it in the blender until it is a fine crumb mixture. So, turn our blender on. See you after I've mushed this up. This is the fine crumb that we need. And then what we do is we're going to pour our whole 1 cup of milk right into the mixing jar. There we go. And then we're going to pour a little bit of the chocolate syrup. Just a splash, like it's a bit thick, our chocolate syrup. There we go. That's enough. And just a bit more. That's enough. And then what we need is around 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream. I'm going to put around 3. I don't know. We nearly added ice cream, but it's all about the Oreos, not about the ice cream. It's just to give it an extra taste. So I'm just gonna get 1 out. And let's 1 scoop in. Another scoop. 3rd scoop. If you can put the 4th, then let's go. Yes, we can do the 4th scoop. It had been outside for a while, that's why it's been melted. It was in the freezer and it was rock hard. So this is what we've added to the Oreos. Here's now all set. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put it into the blender again. And then go. Super tasty milkshake right here. I can just drink it right now on its own, but let's go the extra mile. So, oh my days, look at that. So, we're just going to pour it into our glass, around 3/4 full, because we've got our dressing to put on, around this much. And close this away, put this in the fridge or something so we can use it another time. You know what this is, whipping cream. Give it a nice good shake. Oh, no. No. Let's go. Okay, it's done now. Now what we're going to do, open this up. Yep, it's ready. Now, you know what we're gonna do. Top it off with some whipping cream. Top it off, wow. Now, what you're going to do is, this is optional, but you can do it if you want. I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, that's the chocolate syrup there. And how can we miss it out? Get a plate. And a good one. Put this there. Put a good, oh, with this one. Look. It's there. Put one Oreo there, and then put on the sides some Oreos. So you got the extravagant here. Okay. Woohoo! There is our easy Oreo milkshake for you guys. Now, I'm gonna let you guys see how good it is gonna be when I taste it out with the Oreo. Oh my god. That is the most delicious milkshake I've made at home. Okay, yeah, okay. This is not the shop ones, but I'm so surprised that I've made it at home and it's so good. And that chocolate syrup, that really is a big part to the milkshake, because the taste of this also plays a part for the color as well. Now whipping cream's now oozing in, makes it more thicker. Oh, that Oreo has been dipped full. We'll just eat that with everything. I can drink this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner 24/7. It's that tasty. So friends, I made this milkshake because it's getting close to summer as well, and it plays a part because when your parents are tired from work and then when it's hot, they just feel so irritated and sometimes so tired. So make this, it'll be so good for them, and then you can also top it with some ice cream to give their brains and their bodies a bit of a cool. But the ice cream itself is pretty cold because of the milk and the ice cream. So yeah, who's this little hand coming here? Ah, my brother loves Oreos. So yeah, so guys, I hope you liked this video. For me, I enjoyed it very much. If you're new to my channel, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button and press that post notification button, and make sure you like and share all my videos. See you in the next one, and it's me, Karan, signing out.